Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine for women. Creatine is a well-researched supplement that can significantly boost your athletic performance and muscle growth. Many women worry about potential side effects, but when taken correctly, it's very safe and effective. We'll cover the best ways to incorporate it into your routine, ensuring you get the maximum benefits without any unnecessary concerns. Let's dive into the details. For optimal results, consider a loading phase. This means taking 20 grams of creatine monohydrate daily, divided into 4 5-gram servings for about 5 to 7 days. After the loading phase, switch to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day. Consistency is key, so try to take it around the same time each day. You can mix it easily with water, juice, or your favorite protein shake. Creatine offers several benefits for women, including increased strength during resistance training and improved power output for activities like sprinting. It also aids in muscle recovery, helping you bounce back faster between sessions. While you can take creatine at any time, some studies suggest that consuming it post-workout, perhaps with carbohydrates, might enhance its absorption and effectiveness. This timing helps replenish muscle stores efficiently. Let's address some common myths. Many women fear creatine causes excessive water retention or a bulky look, but this is largely unfounded. Any initial water weight is usually intracellular, within the muscles, not subcutaneous bloating. Creatine is safe for long-term use and won't harm your kidneys if you're healthy. Remember to stay hydrated. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.